Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most controversial topic that might make a lot of people working at TCS and Infosys uncomfortable. Yes, we are going to discuss why do people stay at TCS and Infosys for decades and don't switch. Is it regarding the job security or the on-site opportunities? Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing is that in India, if you are working at any of the IT companies like TCS and Infosys, you might be 100% sure that you might get good opportunities or there can be less opportunities as well. It totally depends on the projects, it totally depends on the tech stack, it totally depends on the business requirements. Yes, that is true. Now, before moving forward, I have a small request to all of you guys. That is, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. So don't forget to subscribe. Now let us come back to Infosys and TCS. Now these are top companies in India when it comes to headcount, when it comes to revenue, when it comes to all other things, right? When it comes to different projects, right? And there are a lot of things that are changing right now in the IT industry, specifically with TCS and Infosys, because TCS recently mentioned that they are going to lay off 12,000 of their employees, while Infosys did not have mentioned anything about the layoffs. Instead, Infosys mentioned that they are going to hire more and they are going to train the people who are sitting on bench, unlike TCS, and provide them into projects, right? Now, there was a recent survey, there was some questions that were asked on Reddit, and why people basically are not wanting to switch from TCS and Infosys, and they're spending decades of their youth, their prime like energy, okay, prime learning opportunity, right, prime learning time, okay, in these companies and not switching companies, right? So these were some of the answers, okay. So one person asked to the relative that what was the reason, why have you been working at TCS for 22 plus years? The answer was given by the candidate, the employee, was that the manager that I had was really good. I got an on-site opportunity as well and didn't need to leave henceforth, right? So this relative of mine started with a mainframe, then moved to SQL, and finally works in some BU handling client communication. So people who joined back like a couple of decades back, right, they are right now in top positions, right? They are vice president, assistant vice president, consultants, right? They're handling directly the client communication, working as business analyst or even requirement analyst also, right? So these people might also have good kind of package compared to their peers who switch the company. They might have low packages, but again, compared to the current people who are working right now at TCS, they might be having good experience, and that is the reason good packages also, right? So the next question or the answer was given by that my cousin joined TCS in 2007. He went on site 2 years, okay. He was on site for more than 10 years, okay. So this cousin went after 2 years, right? After joining TCS in 2009, he went on site. He have been in the US for the 10 years and invested his earnings wisely in India. Okay, he still works in TCS to this day. He is a very comfortable person, so he does not need to switch. I guess a lot of people who stay at TCS are living a comfortable life and see no change. Okay, no need to change basically, right? Now, one more thing here to note is that people who have joined, okay, after the recession, that is 2007, 2008, and 2009 recession, they are having good kind of packages also. This is a good point to note, right? Second important question that was asked, or the answer that was given, was I've been working with TCS for 12 plus years, wanted to switch earlier, but on-site is what is keeping me in Europe for the last 7 to 8 years. Okay, good work-life balance and all those things, right? Now, here is something that you need to understand, right? People who are working in TCS who joined in the last decade, okay, they might have got a good competitive edge over others. So if they were skilled, if they were having the right technical skill, if they worked in that particular project, okay, it can be banking company, it can be some retail company or anything, right? Financial company, institutions or other things which are client of TCS and Infosys. So these people were having good experience, they were having good dependency also, and that is the reason the competition at that point of time was less. Okay, the rat race was less for on-site opportunities. And if you have good interpersonal skills, intercommunication skills, if you're having good technical skills, good technical dependency also, then you were on the forefront to get selected for on-site assignment, right? And these people are right now in tech lead or architect or senior management or business analyst roles, and they're sitting in these on-site locations. That is the reason now people who are joining freshly into TCS, they are not getting any kind of opportunities, right? Earlier, the Zoom call, the meetings, and like video call, Skype, and all other things were used. Okay, it was not that prominent, but now after 2021, after COVID, it is very prominent. People are like always going and working along with the clients who are working from the US, UK, or even the Europe continent, right? So that is the reason it became easier for the client side also. They no longer need a lot of people working on site, because other people who are working in India, they are extending also the time, right? Because there was a time gap, right, between these two countries, these two continents, right? Asian continent and US, the American continent or the European continent. Now what is happening again, that people are extending their hours. They are starting late around 11 or 12:30, 12:30 like AM in the morning, or even 12 or even 2 p.m. in the afternoon, right? And they're working till late nighters, right? Like till 10 p.m., 12 p.m. also. So these are the things which have changed a lot, and that is the reason a lot of companies don't find a need to call people on site, right? Next thing is, I have been working with TCS for 10 plus years, and in my hometown, Indore, for almost 6 years. So, as these companies like TCS Infosys, they have set up their offices in tier 2 and tier 3 cities also. Right now, Vishakhapatnam is a place where a lot of offices are being built, right? Cognizant, TCS, now Infosys will also be setting it up. Mysuru is one place. There are other Nagpur cities also, like tier 2 cities, which are having the offices set up by TCS and Infosys. That is the reason people who are from that particular city, they don't have any other choice better than TCS. Okay, for people who don't want to move to the metro cities, so-called high-tech metro cities, super metro cities, right? Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, right? Noida. So all the cities, then they can simply stay in their hometown, that is the tier two or tier three city, and that is where they can build up the family and all those things, right? So this is again one of the reasons why people are tending not to go to some other company, because that company is not present in their hometown, right? So these are some of the reasons, right? Now I have one small request. Do let us know in the comment section what do you think, if you are someone who is working at TCS for more than 5 years, half a decade, right? Do let us know in the comment section what is the exact reason why you are working at TCS and why have you not switched. Definitely, it varies from person to person. It is your own decision whether you are comfortable with the job or you want a higher salary or a higher package or a higher growth opportunities. It totally depends on you. Just want to know what is your thinking, what is your mentality about not switching the company, right? If you are someone who is having 5 plus years of experience in this particular companies like TCS Infosys, do let us know in the comment section. With this, I would like to end our today's video with one simple note, that please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. With this, I would like to end our today's video. Thank you and have a great day ahead.